Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something super cool here. This is the Nomad wireless charger for the Tesla Model 3. Now, I have a Model 3, so this is perfect. Now, for those of you that have a Tesla Model 3, you know it doesn't come with any wireless Qi charging for your smartphone. Well, Nomad has solved that. So yeah, I'm gonna bring the camera in closer. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna get into it, then we're gonna go down to my white Model 3 Pegasus and go ahead and install this in just a couple of minutes. Oh yeah. Before I forget, I'm also going to be giving away some Nomad leather bands for the Apple Watch, as well as I'm going to be giving away some iPhone 11 Pro cases, some really nice leather ones made by Nomad as well. So stay tuned towards the end of this video and I'll go ahead and give you the directions on what to do on how to enter that contest. Some pretty cool giveaways. Layers. All right, here we are with the wireless charger for the Tesla Model 3. Let's go ahead and open it up. Super excited about this. It'll be nice to just go ahead and put this in the car. My phone as well as my wife's can go ahead and charge simultaneously. Okay, right here at the bottom, you can see the two LED indicators so you know when it's charging. Now, I'll be honest, just holding it in my hand here, just kind of feeling it, just the fit and finish of it is great. It's you can tell it's well made. And it's solid. It's got some weight to it. That's probably another reason, as well as it being so specifically cut for the Model 3. That's probably one of the reasons why it doesn't slide around, I bet, in there like some other manufacturers do. Okay, it looks like we have some spacers here. Depending on your phone, you may need these. And it looks like they have plenty of Y connectors in here. That way you can go ahead and plug this in, but still leave your USB drive for your Sentry mode and Tesla cam, as well as if you use a USB stick for music like I do. So that's perfect. All right, so that's all the contents in the box. Let's go down to my Model 3 Pegasus and see what it looks like. Okay, so we're inside Pegasus right now, and this is a very simple and easy install. It's only going to take you a couple of minutes. Yeah, just fold that part down, lift this up, and then this bottom piece here, you're just going to slide that to the left, take that off, and then remove the mat that you already have there that comes with the car. All right, now that that's done, go under here and plug in one of the Y adapters they gave you on the left and another one on the right. Now, I already have a splitter, so I'm not going to do it, but this is what you would go ahead and do, and then that way it would give you a total of 4 more inputs. And your Nomad wireless charging pad would plug into 2 of these, and then the other 2 you could use, one for music and the other one for your Tesla cam / Sentry mode, which I have 2 drives here for that. But I already have a splitter, so I'm not going to use these. But that's what you'd go ahead and do. And then once that's done, you would just feed these through and plug them on in. So I'm going to go ahead and feed these through, one on the right and the other one on the left. Okay, so you see the 2 USBs here. And I'm going to go ahead and plug one in and plug the other one in. And that's what you'd go ahead and do. Okay, now that the USBs are all plugged in, let's go ahead and put the bottom piece back on. Slide it back to the right, sit it down, and now you're rocking and rolling. Close it there. Install done. Okay, so now that it's all installed, let's try it out and see if it works. Now, this will charge even if you have a case on your phone. I have a Nomad rugged leather case on my iPhone 11 Pro, but let's go ahead and put it in on the driver's side here. And as you can see, it's starting to charge, and the LED at the bottom indicates so. Okay, let's go ahead and try the right-hand side now. And as you can see, it works there. It's all lit up, and you can see the LED on the bottom. Okay, so that's it. You're rocking and rolling. You're all set to go. It'll even charge with your case on there. It closes just fine. Push to open it up, and you're rocking and rolling. And what I do like about this is it looks like the car came that way. I'm a big fan of doing mods that The untrained eye can't tell. It looks like it came that way. But yeah, that's it. You're rocking and rolling. You're all good to go. So this piece right here that we lock back in by sliding it to the right, it actually helps keep this Nomad wireless charger in place. As you can see, it doesn't move, it doesn't flop around, it's not going to skid or move while you're driving or sudden stops or anything like that. It's very snug, that's for sure. Also, something really important I want to point out really quick. With the Nomad, you can still open this all the way up. See, there's some manufacturers out there, and you need to be careful, where once you place this in, it'll only let you lift it up about this far, and that's no good for anybody. So you could still get all the way under there with the Nomad one. All right, thanks to our good friends over there at Nomad, here is the stuff I'm going to be giving away. I have 3 straps I'm going to be giving away, as well as the 2 leather cases shown in the unboxings. So yeah, go ahead and comment in the comment section, and good luck. Laters. All right, I got some super cool giveaways from Nomad, and you want to know how to enter? Well, it's simple. All you got to do is leave a comment in the comment section. Now, I'm just going to randomly pick somebody in the comment section. The only thing I want to say is make sure to watch your notifications, because if I reply to you and say, hey, send me a DM on Twitter with all of your information so I can send you this giveaway, you got to make sure you reply, because there have been times I've done that and then people don't reply. Then I got to pick somebody else. So that sucks, right? Right. But anyways, this super cool Nomad gear can be yours. You just got to enter. Laters.